Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to be configuring Windows deployment services on our Windows 2008 server. Windows deployment services is basically a way to deploy versions of Windows over the network to client machines. We're going to add roles. Click on add roles, click on next, and the role that we're going to add is Windows deployment services. Select the checkbox and then click on next to proceed. You can have a read of what Windows deployment services is. Click on next, click on next again, then click on install. Our install process will take a while, so once again I'm just going to skip a few frames and we will resume when the installation has been completed. Now that the installation has been completed, you can proceed and click on close to close the installation wizard. At this point, we're going to head over to Administrative Tools, and from within our list we are looking for Windows Deployment Services. We're going to expand servers, and then we're going to right click on iTech server and click on configure server. Click on next. We would leave this as is. Click on yes. Select the configure DHCP option before proceeding to the next step. At this point, we're going to respond to all computers, client computers that would be requesting the Windows deployment service. Then click on finish. Ensure that the Add Images to Windows Deployment Server Now option is selected before you click on Finish. At this point, we're going to browse to the part of the image that is going to be used. So, as you will recall, this second CD drive in the E drive is the Windows 7 installation file that we would have added. You want to expand that E drive. You want to expand sources and then click on OK before clicking next. Here we can create a new image group. You have the option to rename it if you like. Click on next, and at this point the image is being added. Now that the operation has been completed, click on finish. Next, we're going to expand install images, and here we see our group image, or image group 1, has been added. for that Windows 7 installation. Next, we're going to click on boot images, and we're also going to have to proceed to add boot images as well. Click on browse, and once again we're going to navigate through File Explorer to our Windows 7 installation that is currently attached. In this instance, we're gonna go to the sources folder and select the boot.wim file. This is the boot file that the Windows deployment server would use. Click on next. At this point, we can give our image a name. We're just gonna add a 7 so we know it's our Windows 7 setup. Click on next. Click on next again and allow the task to complete. Now that the operation has been completed, go ahead and click on finish, and as we see on screen now, the boot image has been successfully added. This would be the end of our Windows deployment service. Feel free to follow along step by step, and you can attempt to create this on your own as well.